Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking experience and create delicious, healthy meals with ease? Look no further than the 32-quart digital toaster oven air fryer combo from Kitchen in the Box. This innovative appliance combines the functionality of a toaster, oven, air fryer, and more, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Let's explore why the Kitchen in the Box digital toaster oven air fryer combo belongs in your home. Ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Kitchen in the Box digital toaster oven air fryer combo is a must-have for any kitchen. Less oil, healthy diet. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to nutritious, flavorful dishes. The Kitchen in the Box digital toaster oven air fryer combo utilizes 360 degrees air convection technology to circulate hot air evenly around your food, resulting in crispy, delicious results with up to 75% less fat and grease compared to traditional frying methods. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence without sacrificing taste. Versatile cooking options. With 18 preset functions and advanced dual functionality, this appliance can do it all. From air frying and baking to roasting, broiling, and more, the Kitchen in the Box digital toaster oven air fryer combo can handle any cooking task with ease. Plus, the innovative dual cook function allows you to combine any two functions in preset, making complex recipes effortless and enhancing the flavor of your dishes. Extra large capacity. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a family party, this toaster oven air fryer combo has you covered. With a spacious 32 QT interior capacity, it can accommodate a 13-inch pizza, 9 slices of toast, a 5-pound rotisserie chicken, or even a whole turkey. Plus, with 6 included accessories, you'll have everything you need to prepare a variety of meals for any occasion. Powerful and fast. Equipped with 6 heat elements and a total power of 1,800 watts, the Kitchen in the Box digital toaster oven air fryer combo delivers fast and efficient cooking results. The double glass door design helps to reduce heat loss, further speeding up the cooking process and saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Precise temperature control. Say goodbye to guesswork and uneven cooking. This convection oven features built-in smart chips and temperature sensors that work together to ensure precise temperature control and eliminate cold spots. With an error margin of just 5 degrees Fahrenheit, you can trust that your meals will come out perfectly cooked every time. Ready to take your cooking game to the next level? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Kitchen in the Box digital toaster oven air fryer combo is a must-have for any kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.